Listen, more than 99% of forklift operators totally miss this huge risk: loading or unloading trucks. Seriously, many operators blindly trust truck drivers, thinking they won't move the truck while I'm working, right? Well, guess what? That's a dangerous assumption. Some truck drivers, because they can't see well or they're way too confident, just start moving without looking around. And boom, forklifts tipping over, causing serious accidents. And here's another common nightmare. Truck drivers park their rig and think I'm done and hop out without pulling the handbrake. Forklift drivers jump right on to unload without confirming if the truck is really locked down. When that truck rolls off, the forklift falls. You tell me who's to blame here? Look, if you want to keep things safe during loading and unloading, forklift drivers got to do two things. First, talk to the truck driver about when loading starts and finishes and when the truck can move. Second, always ask if the handbrake's on, and if you can, go check it for yourself. No shortcuts here, because safety's not just a rule, it's your life. Just take 1 minute, otherwise, this is what happens. Follow us to learn more about forklift safety.